Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a detailed look at a premium cordless vacuum built for users who want efficient dust pickup, advanced filtration, and powerful performance in a lightweight design. This is the Bosch Unlimited 9, a cordless stick vacuum engineered with MicroClean Technology, dust compression, HEPA filtration, and up to 60 minutes of runtime. If you've been searching for a modern vacuum that delivers strong suction, clean air output, and versatility across surfaces, this one deserves your attention. The Bosch Unlimited 9 stands out with its MicroClean technology, which helps it capture over 99.9% of fine dust and allergens while maintaining strong airflow. This technology, combined with Bosch's efficient motor system, ensures that debris is lifted from carpets, hard floors, and furniture with ease. Dust compression inside the canister helps compact debris, increasing capacity and reducing how often you need to empty the container. Runtime is another highlight. With up to 60 minutes of use depending on mode and attachments, this vacuum supports whole home cleaning without constantly recharging. The lightweight build and ergonomic design make it easy to maneuver, especially on stairs, around furniture, and in tight spaces. The included motorized brush ensures strong performance across hardwood floors and carpets, while pet hair pickup is noticeably effective thanks to optimized bristles and consistent suction. The HEPA filtration system is designed to trap microparticles and allergens, making it ideal for households with pets or sensitive users. The sealed system helps prevent dust leakage, ensuring that air leaving the vacuum is cleaner than what went in. The dust bin empties easily, and the filters are washable, helping reduce long-term maintenance cost. Bosch includes 3 essential accessories in the box: a crevice tool, an upholstery nozzle, and a multi-surface brush for targeted cleaning. Combined with its slim frame and strong suction, this vacuum adapts well to everyday cleaning tasks across the home. The bright white finish gives the Unlimited 9 a sleek, modern look that pairs well with its high-performance engineering. If you want a cordless vacuum with efficient dust pickup, advanced filtration, long runtime, and premium build quality, the Bosch Unlimited 9 is an excellent choice. Check it out using the link below, and if this review helps you, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns and daily uploads.